Experiencing issues receiving text messages on your Optus mobile service? You're not alone. This section addresses common causes and solutions. First, understand that text messages aren't just SMS anymore. iMessage for Apple users and RCS, rich communication services, offer enhanced features but can sometimes cause compatibility problems. If you're not receiving texts, especially from users on different platforms, iPhone to Android or vice versa, several factors could be at play, including signal congestion in rural areas, SIM card glitches, or temporary bugs after software updates. Let's walk through some initial steps to get you back on track. We'll cover simple solutions like restarting your device, which can resolve temporary software glitches, and checking for Optus network updates, which are automatically installed by Android but may require a manual download and install. If a simple restart doesn't work, a network reset is your next best bet. On iPhones, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Android users will find a similar option in their Settings menu. This clears your phone's stored network information and forces it to reconnect, often resolving connection conflicts. Next, check your MMSC, Multimedia Messaging Service Center settings, which are crucial for receiving MMS messages. While usually automatically configured, you might need to manually enter Optus's default settings. MMSC/MMS.optus.com.802, MMS proxy 61.88.3.8080. If you're still having trouble, especially with iMessage, ensure you're logged into iCloud and that Send as SMS is enabled in your iMessage settings. For advanced troubleshooting, consider contacting Optus support for a SIM swap or using diagnostic tools like the Network Signal Guru app if you're technically inclined. Remember, issues can sometimes be region-specific or related to ongoing network upgrades, so checking Optus's website or community forums for the latest information is always a good idea.